Hi all, today we are going to see one trigger scenario. Here amount on opportunity updating. You want to recalculate the parent accounts all child opportunity record and update the accounts custom field total amount. I'll explain the scenario once again. Here I'm on the opportunity. I'm adding and updating the amount. After that, it will for an opportunity record. There's a parent account is there, right? For those account record, there are the number of opportunities, and calculate the total amount on the each opportunity, and the sum will be shown on the account to total amount field. This is the scenario. Yeah, here I'm using the fields, opportunity fields, amount, name, close date, and account fields are total amount and name. And while creating a trigger, we have to remember 3 points, like on which object we are doing an operation, and what operation and what event. The object is here. I'm inserting in, I'm updating opportunity. So here opportunity object, and operation is I'm updating. Here the event is before or after. Here I'm updating. Here in this scenario, we require the opportunity ID. For that reason, I'm going with the after. And another way of going with the after is, here I'm updating the field on the account, not on the opportunity. Whenever we want to update the field on the another object, then in that case I'll go with the after. Here this is the opportunity trigger, and this is a trigger syntax. Trigger and our trigger name and the object on which we are doing the trigger. After update, I'll show how to create a trigger. Go to the files, go to new and click on trigger, and here you can enter the trigger name, and here you can select the object on which you are trying to create a trigger, and after that click on submit. Here I am going with the after update. Here I am in the after update case. Whenever I'm in the after update case, trigger.isAfter and trigger.isUpdate will return true. Whenever these both will return true, and what are the logic which is inside here the condition is satisfied, whatever the logic which is inside the if block will be executed. And while creating a trigger, we have to remember another point is like a bulkification. Bulkification means the trigger should work for a one record as well as a more than one record. For that reason, I'm going with the bulkification of the trigger, and for that, to achieve the bulkification, I'm using the for loop here. Here trigger.new is a context variable, and it's in list, and trigger.new will have the whatever the records we are updating, those records will be in the trigger.new. First, I will check the amount is changed or not. Whenever the amount is changed, this logic will be executed. First, I will check if the amount is changed or not. Here, this is a new value, and the old values will be in the trigger.old and trigger.old map. Here, I'm using the map. Here, trigger.new will be the map. Using the get method, I'm getting the opportunity. Here, I'm passing the ID so that it will return the old opportunity, and from opportunity I'm getting the amount value. If both are not equal, that means we are trying to update the amount. Here I'm storing account IDs here. The reason I had used set means set list will store the duplicate items and a set will not store the duplicate items. Here IDs will be unique, right? For that reason I'm going with the set. Here I have using the add method, I'm adding the IDs to the set account IDs. Here I'm querying the accounts as well as the related opportunities, child opportunities using SQL query. Here I'm using the where clause. The reason is here the account IDs will be in the set. Whatever the account IDs will in the set, those will be fetched. Those accounts will be fetched. Here, sorry, yeah, account list and Unix. I'm applying a for loop on it. Here I'm applying a for loop on this list, and for each iteration I'm getting the one record from the list and applying the logic what are the logic which is inside this for will be applied on that record. From account where id in here we are stored account IDs in this set. Here we had given this, yeah, it will this SQL query will returns account list, and those will be in the account list, and here I am applying a for loop on it. Here the question is you want to recalculate. Here the question is recalculating means for that reason here I'm setting the total sum value is 0, and again I'm applying the these are the child opportunities on the each record, and applying for loop again on the child opportunities, and I will calculate the total amount of the all the child opportunities, and I will give it to the total amount. So here first I had mentioned as 0. Here it will give the list of records. Here I am adding the opportunity amount to that account to total amount. After that I will add this account to another list. The reason I am creating the account list is I want to what are the fields, what are the account records got updated. I want to do the DML. For that reason, I am creating the list again. So to add an item to the list, we use the add method, and here this is a account. Here in this, I am adding that or total amount. I am calculating the total amount from the opportunities, and I am updating this. I am giving the value to total amount, and then after I'm adding this account to account list. Now we have to update this account list. First, before updating, first we have to do null check. If size is greater than 0, then only want to update this thing. Yeah. Now we will check if the trigger is working or not. I have already created a Salesforce account. On the Salesforce account, I have created 3 opportunities. For opportunity amount is one is a 5 lakhs, one is a 3 lakhs, and one is a 2 lakhs. Now I'll try to update this thing. Before that, I'll go and see the account total amount. Total amount is nothing, so I'll try to update to 5 lakh one. Yeah. Now I'll see what is the total amount on the account. Yeah, here it's working. Total amount is 10 lakhs 1 rupee. Here it's 5 lakhs 3 2. It's total 10 lakhs 1 rupee. Yeah, trigger is working. Now I'll create another account and I'll do the Dell account. I will try to create an opportunity. You can select a stage and click on save. I'll create another opportunity. Here I'm selecting the stage and I click on save. Here the opportunity is created for the account, Dell account. Now we will see that. Yeah, here total amount is not here, nothing is there. The reason is here we had done for after update only it will the logic will be triggered. For that reason it will not show anything. Now I will update this opportunity. I'll change the value to 1 3. Now it will show on the Dell account. Yeah, 3 lakhs 3. Yeah, you can add this amount and this amount. It will show. This trigger is working for a single record, and you can try it for yeah, this trigger is working for a single record, and you can try it for a large number of records. That's in homework. I hope this video will helpful for you. Thank you.